morning everyone. Today we will do drawing. Okay? Which topic? Potter. You know who is Potter? Yes, right. Who makes pot? So start today's drawing. For today's drawing what you need? Obviously drawing book and colors. Okay then. Open your drawing book. You have to hold your book horizontally. Write Potter. Okay. Draw. Start. See, first you have to draw lightly. Then we will make this drawing dark. Oval you have to draw first. Like this oval. See. Like this you have to draw oval. Okay. Ear. Okay. Now draw eyes. इसको मूछे है तो मूछे निकालना. Lips. Neck. Shoulders. First we will draw leg, then we will draw hand. He is sitting in front of his wheel. This is his wheel. No need to draw full legs and in detail because legs are behind that wheel, so no problem. Now hand. Here you have to draw pot shape. How you want you can draw. he is giving shape to that pot now. Okay, and these are legs, only this much बस हुआ, पूरा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं। Finish. Potter's drawing finished. Now background. In the background here we will draw pot. So many pots are there for selling the food. So draw pot. You can draw different shapes, size. Pot. Just this much. Here he is sitting roadside now. So draw tree. Here also you can draw tree. One. Now we shall coloring. Open your color box. Let's start coloring. For his skin, you have to color skin color. Okay. Next, for his shirt, yellow. Don't color this dhoti. Okay. White only you have to keep. Now first color these part. Now see, with only one brown color shade we can color this full wheel. Here you have to do dark and here light, like this. Dark, light. Okay, like this you have to color complete wheel. Again here dark, here light, this one only do dark and light. Here you have to do dark Now for these pots, lightly do again lightly you have to give color. Like only this is our pot. Now see, one side I am giving dark and one side here lightly. Same do to every pot like this. Again see, this is my pot. Okay, here I am giving, see how I am moving my hand, like this only you have to move while coloring pot. Okay, same process, lightly you have to do first. And again dark. Same pot, same thing you have to do. Now for this pot, now take different shade, because here also brown, here also brown, so then it will not visible. So use yellow color, like this you can use yellow color, or do border with the brown, then it will look nice. Okay, here again dark brown. Okay, now take brown again. And here do green color for tree. Okay, in the background just do sky blue, lightly do. Finish sky also. Now take yellow ochre and horizontally do lightly for ground. See here carefully, because here legs are there and we didn't color these because he wore dhoti. तो ठीक से अच्छे से वहाँ से, नहीं तो उसके अंदर भी कलर कर दूँगी, उसको छोड़ के कलर करना है, इधर धोती का पार्ट छोड़ के कलर करना है आपको। Fully you have to do this yellow. See, like this lightly you have to color yellow for full ground. See how full ground you have to do yellow. Now take brown color and just do like this, because this is not clean plain ground now, so just do patches. Okay, finish. Now take pencil first and do dark eyes like this. With pencil only do, because if you use that black color now, then it will spread and then our drawing will look okay. Like this you have to do. Okay, everywhere I done that outline with pencil. Okay, then do very simple, only one figure, and mostly we use brown color, so coloring part also not hard. So do neatly. Bye bye. Thank you. Hi. Hello everyone. Good morning. For today's drawing, we need drawing book and pencil only. No coloring part today. Wow, na? Happy? Okay, but what we are going to do today, that is very important to understand colors and its shades. Okay, जब हम कलरिंग करेंगे कोई भी चीज़, तब हमको समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा कलर कितना डार्क करना है. So for that pencil shading is important for each and every drawing. Okay. Today's drawing topic is nature drawing. In old syllabus for grade exam, there is one subject, nature drawing, and in that subject we have to do flowers, sunflower or aster, like these type flowers with pencil shading, not with coloring, for elementary. And for intermediate exam you should be color that. Okay, but in new syllabus that subject omitted, but that nature drawing part include in still life. Then let's start today's drawing. Okay, open your drawing book vertically. Right here, nature drawing, sunflower. Okay, nature drawing, sunflower. First draw one small circle. Please draw lightly. Now draw oval shape. Okay, now we will draw petals of sunflower. Don't draw like this. This is not sunflower continuously. No, sunflower is crooked petals like this. Sunflower have petals, not exactly proper U shape. In between two petals you have to draw more petals like this. Fully we have to draw. If you drawn first all big petals and then draw between petals, then also okay. सनफ्लावर लगना चाहिए, बस अच्छे से ड्रॉ करो। Finish. Drawing finished. Simple drawing na today? Yes. And if you understand neatly about shading na, then that also very simple. Leaf. One more leaf here. Now we will start shading, but before that, what we drawn first, that oval shape na, please rub that. Okay, now we will start our shading part. See, every time when we will do pencil shading, that time we should understand which color is that thing have. Okay, understood ना? कौन से कलर की वो चीज़ है वो हमको ध्यान से पहले देखना चाहिए, उसमें कौन से शेड्स है, कितना कौन से कलर्स है, राइट? फॉर सनफ्लावर there is yellow and orange, little bit orange. If you see neatly, then you will understand that here sunflower have orangish shade, right? So yellow color is light color, so you have to shade lightly in that petal. If we want to shade red color rose, then only we have to do this much dark, right? But for sunflower, which is having yellow color, for that yellow color you have to shade lightly, because yellow color is light, not dark. Yes, understood? Okay, so see, I am showing you how you have to shade and how I am moving my hand now. Like that only you have to move your hand. Okay, don't do here like this. No, every time how that thing have shape, like that only you have to do shading. See, if our sunflower is like this, then you have to do our shading. Slowly you have to do. इधर भी थोड़ा भी लाइंस नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Okay, one tone I feel, right? Now little bit orange here, so orange is darker than yellow, right? So you have to do again here one more shade. पहले ही इसमें डार्क करके नहीं करना है हमको. पहला एक पार्ट हल्के हाथ से एक लाइट टोन करना है, फिर उसके ऊपर और एक बार करके उसका टोन बढ़ाना है. उसको पहले ही बार डार्क नहीं करना है. Slowly you have to do, then only you will get good result, right now? When we will do slowly thing na and carefully na, that is best thing. See, now on sunflower's petal there are lines, right? Like this, see. 2 lines. Okay. Now second one. Which petals are in front now? First you have to do these, then you can do this between petals. See, this petal is in this direction, my hand also moving in that direction only. Here I am doing like this. Now I change like this. Slowly do. First you have to shade one tone to petal. Then we will increase our tone in second time shade. Right? Again, see, now finish first tone. Now I will do second tone. Second tone only this much part. So I am moving my hand this much only. Right? Finish. See. Now that 2 lines, each petal having na, so each and every petal you have to do these 2 lines, and that is also slowly you have to do. Now next one. First tone, finish. Now my second tone, finish. Now 2 lines. Simple drawing na? Slowly do. Now do full flower. Now this 2 petals between petals. Here you have to do little bit dark because upper petals shadow fell on this petal, right? So little darker, not too much dark, little. See. Now you can understand, right? See, this one is dark tone, then this, like this you have to do. Again, here also orange color shade, also you have to do little dark, right? For this petal also same process, little dark you have to do. How the petals direction, in that direction only you have to move your hand. One more thing I want to tell you, while doing shading, pencil shading, don't put your hand on shaded part. Okay, don't put like this and don't do like this. Always do keep your hand where you not done your work. जिधर आपने शेडिंग नहीं किया है ना, उधर आप अपना हाथ रखो. ये ऐसे रखा ना तो पूरा वो शेड मर्ज होगा, मिक्स होगा, डल होगा. जो हमने सब किया है वो जाए. डोंट डू डार्क इन द स्टार्टिंग ओनली. Slowly increase that tone. in starting only if you done dark na, then it is very hard to rub. So slowly increase that tone. Finish flower. Now here in the middle part, draw one little circle and do one light tone. Sunflower's middle part having brown color, right? And why I am telling light? Because in that brown, in between, yellow also there. So first feel light tone, then do dark, right? So this is my yellow part. Like this you have to do dot dots. Okay. Now here you have to move your hand for that brown tone like this, how I am doing. See how circle is na, in that direction only you move your hand. This is one time I done. One more time I am doing. See, again repeating on that part only I am doing, because this is brown color, so too much dark you have to do. Finish this part. Now here for stem, again petal shadow is there, and that is green color, so green is darker than yellow. So first feel one tone. Now increase the tone. This is green color na, so little bit, yes, darker than yellow. So you have to do little dark. Here also near petals, because petal shadow is there. Near leaf also. Okay, now leaf. In the leaf also you have to do lightly one tone for full leaf. Finish full leaf, one tone. Now this one, this direction. See, leaf is in this direction, so you have to move your hand in this direction only. Don't do like this. Like this you have to do. Now here leaf having lines, no? So leave some part and do dark. Like this. Again here also leave some part and do dark. Every time you have to leave some part and do dark. Okay, simple na leaf. First give one tone lightly and then do little part dark. Okay, understood everything na? This is yellow color, so do lightly, then increase tone orange. Slowly do, it will become nice. Okay then, bye bye, thank you.